I came to the US in 2020. So initially, I just started preparing for my USMLE exams, and once I was done, I started working for my clinical rotations. But I do have a lot of experience. When I got a lot of experience in the clinical settings, then I was able to apply for these type of positions, because whenever you apply for these positions, you have to have at least you have to have the experience, so someone can trust you. If you are applying for residency, this means that you are among the top 2% of the population from all over the world who are among the doctors who are transitioning to the American healthcare system. There are a few states that are applying for you. You guys can apply the limited license. Every state have their own requirement. I know a single webinar would not be enough to cover each and every state who is providing this opportunity. So I know most of the IMG friendly states are, I would say, New York and then Michigan. And New York is one of the states that provide this opportunity. What are some other states that provide this opportunity are Idaho, you would say, Colorado, Nevada, Arizona, Missouri. It's Tennessee, Washington, Virginia, Colorado, Alabama, Massachusetts. So there are like around 12 to 13 states, and there are some more states where legislative assembly is working to make this possible. Because when I was residing in the state of Delaware, I did a lot of work with the legislative assembly, and even we met with the legislative assembly to present our idea that how we can implement the same idea of the other states in the state of Delaware. But recently, like in the state of Illinois, because Illinois is also one of the states where residents or the IMGs can work before residency, because, but the requirement for the Illinois would be, you have to have USMLE step 1, 2, and 3 as well. So I think there are 2 or 3 states that require step 3, and most of the states do not require USMLE step 3. As a physician, I understand you don't have a lot of time. So if you want to utilize me by just paying the resident salary rather than a physician salary, I would be seeing patients on my own under your supervision. You can just take me as an assistant, and I would do a lot of work.